I'm Jonathan Honeyman and I work in the Fire Investigation Department, Scottish Fire and Rescue Service. And this is Phoenix, our fire investigation dog. Phoenix was a rescue dog from the SSPCA. He works closely with schools and young people and with seldom heard. He also works with people who have been adversely affected by fire to help rebuild confidence and rebuild their lives. He's a fantastic aid to breaking down barriers to help us educate people on all aspects of fire, including fire safety. He's also used to teach people how to do the stop, drop and roll, and to deliver that message where he also does a practical demonstration on how to stop, drop and roll. The stop, drop and roll message helps people from being injured when clothes catch fire. It's important to recognise when to do this and how to do this, and Phoenix is an absolute asset in delivering that message. He makes it fun and memorable for all to see him, and obviously steals the show.